Good afternoon to the students of class 7. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Framing Equation and its Solution. We are going to do Let's Do Ourselves 22.2. Everybody open your maths book. It is given solve the following equations. Come to question number 1. So solving the equation means you need to calculate the value of the unknown variable given in the equation. So as you can see that x plus 3 is equals to 15. So here the unknown variable is x. This is the unknown variable whose value you need to calculate. Unknown variable whose value you need to calculate. So you are getting x equals to 15 minus 3. This plus 3 has been taken on the other side, and that is why you have got 15 minus 3. Therefore, you are getting x equals to 12. So, the required solution is x equals to 12. Now, next sum. Question number 2. Here it is given y minus 3 is equals to 10. So, here the unknown variable is y. You need to take out the value of the unknown variable. So, y will be equals to 10 plus 3. This minus 3 changed its side. So, changing its side means changing the sign also. So, hence you are getting y equals to 10 plus 3. The minus 3 will change its side and also change its sign. So, 10 plus 3 means 13. So, y equals to 13. Hence, the required solution is y equals to 13. Next one. Question 3. 5x equals to 25. Now, 5x means 5 into x is equals to 25. 5 into x is equals to 25. So, here x will be equals to 25 by 5. Now, 5 will get cancelled. 5 5s are 25. Therefore, you will get x equals to 5. Why? Because this x is going down in the denominator. 25 by 5 it is becoming, okay? That's why. Next one, question number 4. Here cross multiplication has been done. Simple cross multiplication has been done. See, with 3 you are multiplying 2 and y you are multiplying 9. So, you are getting 9y equals to 3 into 2. So, y will be equals to 3 into 2 by 9. Now, you know 3 3s are 9. So, that is why you are getting y as 2 by 3. This is the required solution. This is called cross multiplication, criss-cross method. Next one, question number 5. 5x plus 7 equals to 17. So, what I will do is, this plus 7 I am taking on the other side. It is becoming minus 7. So, 17 minus 7 means 10. So, 5x equals to 10. So, x will be equals to, this 5 will go down in the denominator, 10 by 5. So, 5 will get cancelled with 10 and you will get 2. So, x equals to 2. So, the required solution is x equals to 2. Next one, question number 1. Read the following stories and form equations. So, here you are going to read the stories and form the equation. Come to part B. It is said Milan Babu is 4 times as old as his son. After 5 years, Milan Babu's age will be 3 times the age of his son. So, at first understand the problem. Milan Babu is 4 times as old as his son. So, 4 times as old as his son. So, here Milan Babu's age is dependent on the age of the son. Milan Babu's age is dependent on the age of the son. So, that means what? The value on which is dependent, that we will have to consider as x or y or any other variable of your wish. So, here we are taking the present age of his son be x years. So, the present age of Milan Babu will be 4x years. Why? Because in the question it is given that Milan Babu is 4 times. So, times means multiply. Times means multiply or finding the product. So 4 into x means 4x years. Then after 5 years, son's age will be x plus 5 years. How? Because the present age of the son is x years. So suppose your present age is suppose 12 years or say 13 years. Then after 5 years, how you will calculate your age? You are going to simply add 5 with your present age. So the present age of the son is x years, then the age after 5 years will be x plus 5. So that is what is written, x plus 5 years. Now the present age of Milan Babu is 4x years. So what will be his age after 5 years? After 5 years his age will be 4x plus 5, because his present age is 4x. After 5 years 4x plus 5. Then according to the condition, Milan Babu's age after 5 years, that will be 3 times the age of his son after 5 years. 3 times means again 3 has been multiplied. Understand this part properly, that Milan Babu's age after 5 years, that will be 3 times the age of his son after 5 years. So now the calculation portion comes, that 4x plus 5 equals to 3 into whole x plus 5. So this is the required equation. So by reading the condition from the problem, you are going to solve up the equation. Next one, it is given, in our village, out of 3895 people, number of illiterates is 1871, less than the number of literate people. So here the number of illiterates are dependent on the number of literate people. So in that case, what you will do is, you are going to consider the number of literate people to be as x. Now which one to consider as x or y or z, any alphabet, that part you need to understand it very clearly, that you are going to take the value on which it is dependent. Like suppose here in this particular question, the number of illiterates is dependent on the number of literate people. So that is why the literate people has been considered as x. The number of literate people is taken as x. So the number of illiterate people will be what? 3895 minus x. It is given that the number of, out of total number of people, this is the total number of people, and among them x is literate people. So the number of illiterate people will be what? 3895 minus x, as simple as that. From the total you are subtracting. So this is the number of literate people, this is the number of illiterate people. So number of illiterates is 1871, less than the number of literate people. So according to the given condition, their difference is 1871. The difference of the number of literate people and the number of illiterate people, that is 1871. Next step what you will do is, you are going to keep this as the required equation. This will be a required equation. Okay. Now moving to the next sum, part E. Here in the question it is said, a number which when multiplied by 12 and 48 subtracted from it, it becomes 2 by 5, part of the original number. So here the original number we don't know, that is why we are taking the original number to be as x. When x is multiplied by 12, so that means when x is multiplied by 12, so you are multiplying x with 12, right? You are multiplying x with 12 and then 48 is subtracted. So x into 12, that means 12x minus 48. So that is what is written, x into 12 minus 48. Then that will be equal to 2 by 5, part of the original number. So 12x minus 48 equals to, now 2 by 5, if you convert it into improper fraction, 5 to the 10, 11, 12, 12 by 5, you are getting 12 by 5 of x. Now of means multiply, so 12 by 5 of x means into x, of x means into x. So 12x by 5, that is why you are getting So this is your required equation, that 12x minus 48 is equals to 12x by 5. Okay. So by using the condition, you are going to frame the given equation, and you are going to do yourself question number 1 part A and part C yourself. The homeworks will be provided and uploaded in the Google Classroom tomorrow. Okay children, thank you for today.